Allow me to explain why this is incorrect. My first point is that Pebble is a dog, and Cosmo is more human-like, if that makes sense. Secondly, Sprout x Cosmo is a safe ship because since they aren't child x adult, victim x abuser, or animal x human, or in this case Toon. And finally, animal x human Toon is zoophilia, which obviously morally gross. And before you comment that this properly just rage bait or that I support Qwel, I want to make it clear, I know, but the post is still a bad thing, and I do not support Qwel, and I haven't played her games in almost 8 months. Question of the day. What's your favorite game? Mine's Project Sekai and Danganronpa. By Spores, this is Mushroom infecting your For You page.